Utah State University Peer Assisted Study Session Program, or also known as PASS. This program is part of the Office of Academic Belonging and Learning Excellence. At PASS, we help students learn beyond the lecture. PASS offers free peer academic support for general broad courses at Utah State through twice-weekly sessions led by experienced PASS leaders. And then for major exams, Super Sessions provide 2-hour study events to boost confidence and preparation. One professor at Utah State testified, "PASS leaders know the course content and offer that unique student perspective that is helpful to other students just beginning their college careers." One Utah State student testified, "I'm always excited to attend PASS because I've seen what a dramatic impact they've had in elevating my academic performance. PASS is here to support students, enhance learning, build connections, and boost academic success." We invite you to stay connected, whether you're a student looking for extra support, a faculty member wanting to collaborate, or simply someone passionate about student success. We welcome you to be part of our growing PASS community.